Hi boys and girls, let's get started with this week's craft. In your kit, you should have a canvas, a foam brush, some butterflies, a container of tacky glue, and a container of acrylic paint. This paint is actually not washable, so try not to get it on your clothes. Let's get started. Using my bag as my work mat, the first thing I'm going to do is to paint my canvas. You want to start with the sides. So open up your paint, use your foam brush, and start just by painting the edges. Now that my edges are covered, I'll go ahead and start painting the front. Now that I'm finished painting my canvas, I'm going to let this dry for about 10 or 15 minutes. When you're finished painting, go ahead and rinse out your foam brush and you can reuse this again for a new project. While my canvas is drying, I'm going to go ahead and get my butterflies ready. So for this, we're going to be gluing the butterflies onto our canvas, and we want to be able to see the colorful side. So you're going to fold each butterfly with the white part on the outside. So now I'm going to start thinking about how I want to arrange my butterflies on my canvas. There are lots of different colors, so you could do a pattern, you could do rainbow order, you can make your butterflies fly all over, or you could have them in a pattern like a shape. You could put them in a heart shape, or you could put them in a letter shape even, for the first letter of your name. This part is entirely up to you. Now that my canvas is mostly dry, I'm going to start attaching my butterflies with the tacky glue. Keeping the butterfly folded with the white part sticking out, you're going to dip it in the glue, just on the body part. Try not to get any on the wings, and then place your butterfly where you want it on the canvas. The wings are going to kind of stay close together until the glue is completely dry. You don't want to smush your butterfly down until after the glue has dried overnight. So now that I have all of my butterflies how I want them, I'm just going to let this dry completely overnight, and then your artwork will be ready to hang. I hope you guys had fun with this week's craft. It was a simple one. Be sure to watch the video on Costa Rica so you can learn more about how many beautiful butterflies live in that country. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.